Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by gathering live tick and minute data, feed both price and volume into a lightweight model. Once done, label a short history window, 10-60 minutes, so the model learns intraday patterns. Make sure to prefer low-latency feeds and a broker API that supports sub-second orders. This reduces slippage. While you configure logging and a paper account, initialize model hyperparameters conservatively so you can iterate quickly without overfitting to noise. You transform raw features into clean signals, standardize returns, compute a VWAP gap and an RSI, 14 trend filter, and add order flow imbalance for conviction. Then convert probability outputs into actionable rules, a threshold for entries, size by rank, and a cooldown to avoid repetition. Make sure to embed strict risk controls, max position, 1% of capital per trade, and a trailing stop, so the system survives drawdowns. Backtest with realistic fees and latency, you deploy to a paper environment first, monitor live fills, slippage, and strategy edge continuously. Once stable, move to small live size and watch PNL divergence versus backtest. This reveals latency or market impact issues. If performance degrades, act quickly. Reduce trade frequency, tighten stops, or retrain on the most recent 1-4 weeks of data. One key troubleshooting tip: if fills drop or latency spikes, pause trading and switch to market data replay to diagnose before risking capital.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.